ব্ৰাইটাৰ আছাম ইউটিউব চেনেললৈ আপোনালোক সকলোকে স্বাগতম জনাইছোঁ। আজি আমি কম্পিউটাৰ বিষয়ৰ কিছু সাম্ভাৱ্য প্ৰশ্ন আলোচনা কৰিবৰ কাৰণে আগবাঢ়িছোঁ। ইয়াত সৰ্বমুঠ 25টা প্ৰশ্ন আছে। এই গোটেইকেইটা প্ৰশ্ন আহিবলগীয়া পৰীক্ষাবিলাকৰ কাৰণে অত্যন্ত গুৰুত্বপূৰ্ণ। এতিয়া আমি পলম নকৰি প্ৰশ্নবিলাকলৈ আগবাঢ়িছোঁ। কুৱেশ্যন নাম্বাৰ 1, এ লাইট sensitive device that converts drawing, printed text or other image into digital form is answer scanner. Question number 2, which protocol provides email facility among different hosts? Answer SMTP. SMTP full form to hoise simple mail transfer protocol. Question number 3, the basic architecture of computer was developed by answer John von Neumann. Question number 4, in order to tell Excel that we are entering a formula in cell, we must begin with an operator such as answer hobo equal. Question number 5, in how many generation a computer can be classified? Answer 5. Question number 6, 5th generation computers are based on answer artificial intelligence. Question number 7, first generation of computer was based on which technology? Answer vacuum tube. Question number 8, microprocessor was introduced in which generation of computer? Answer 4th generation. Question number 9, second generation computers are made of answer transistors. Question number 10, which of the following memory is non-volatile? Answer ROM. GUI stands for answer graphical user interface. Question number 12, any data or instruction entered into the memory of a computer is considered as answer input. Question number 13, time during which a job is processed by the computer is answer execution time. Question number 14, which of the following circuit is used as a memory device? Answer flip-flop. Question number 15, the memory size in mainframe computers and advanced technology microcomputer is expressed as answer megabytes. Question number 16, an error is also known as answer bug. Question number 17, Microsoft Word is an example of answer application software. Question number 18, who invented the supercomputer? Answer Seymour Cray. Question number 19, the 0 and 1 in the binary numbering system are called binary digits or answer bits. Question number 20, the size of commonly used floppy disk is answer 3.5 inch. Question number 21, the IC chip used in computers is made of answer silicon. Question number 22, which of the following operating system is produced by IBM? Answer OS/2. Question number 23, the processor which performs arithmetical and logical operation is called answer ALU. Question number 24, which was an early mainframe computer? Answer ENIAC. আৰু অন্তিমটো প্ৰশ্ন হ'ল question number 25, where is the headquarters of Intel located? Answer Santa Clara, California. আজিৰ ভিডিঅ'টোত এইকেইটাই প্ৰশ্ন আছিল। ভিডিঅ'টো সম্পূৰ্ণকৈ চোৱাৰ বাবে আপোনালোক সকলোকে ধন্যবাদ। আমাৰ চেনেলটো ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব, লাইক আৰু শ্বেয়াৰ কৰিবলৈ নাপাহৰিব। ধন্যবাদ।